Cloud computing. You have heard this word in your day-to-day life many times. What is exactly cloud computing? What are the features, advantages, disadvantages and effect of cloud computing? Don't you know the answers of these questions? You have learned it in the right spot. I am Dr. Fanex Femi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Holy Cross College, Nagarkoi. Here to explain cloud computing crystal clear. Mastering cloud architecture. We will see about foundations and frameworks. First, the cloud architecture. The cloud architecture includes the hardware, software, network resources, and some services that is used for essential for cloud computing. The cloud architecture defines how the components interact to deliver scalable and on-demand computing resources. It supports flexible resource allocation for efficient workload management. Cloud architecture that has the built-on virtualization, automation, and distributed computing principles. That enables organizations to adapt IT infrastructure quickly to changing the demands. So in the cloud architecture that contains 3 layers. So what are the 4 layers of cloud architecture? So the first layer is infrastructure layer, second layer software layer, the third one platform layer. The infrastructure layer that provides the foundational hardware and network resources that is essential for cloud operations. The software layer delivers the fully functional, ready-to-use applications directly to use for the end users. The platform layer offers development tools and environment enabling applications creations and deployment. Then the cloud services types. So there are 3 cloud services are there: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. These are the services. So first one, the software as a service. So it provides the software applications over the internet, eliminating the local installation. So it enables access via the web browsers for seamless platform independent use. It includes automatic updates to keep software current without user effort. These are scalable solutions that grow with business needs. What are the features of software as a service? So many features are there. That may be centralized hosting, then multi-tenancy, automatic updates, subscription, pricing models, high scalability. So these features reduce the IT overhead and enable rapid deployment, powering powerful apps like emails, CRM, and collaboration tools. So it also the one more features is there, that's a easily accessibility feature. So these are the features of software as a service. Then business agility with the SaaS, that may be the cost saving, scale user access quickly to meet changing business demands. It enhances the collaboration with cloud hosted applications accessible everywhere. Accelerate time to value through fast onboarding and deployment. Receive seamless software updates without interrupting users. So it supports organizational agility and foster innovation. Then platform as a service. So what is the accelerate innovation with platform as a service? It provides a fully managed cloud environment with essential development tools and services. It eliminates the need to change underlying infrastructure, enabling focus on application logic. It supports the rapid development cycle through integrated databases, middleware, and frameworks. It facilitates seamless integration and deployment for scalable, reliable, and applications. So these are the accelerate innovation as a platform as a service. Then accelerate software delivery with platform as a service, that may be development frameworks and middleware streamlined application building. Then database management, that's integrated for seamless data handling. You know the database management system that is used for the handling the data. Then integrated development environment IDE that support for developing for creating the coding and debugging. Then scalability and automated infrastructure management ensure reliable performance. Then it supports for multiple programming languages, enhances flexibility. Then it continuous integration and deployment pipelines speed up delivery cycles. Then what are the business agility with platform as a service? So first it reduces the complexity by offloading infrastructure. The next one, accelerate time to market for applications that enable seamless collaborate development access teams. Then it focuses resources on innovation instead of maintenance. Then scale resources flexibly to match demand. Then integrate easily with diverse services and API to boost application program interface API means. Then infrastructure as a service, that's IaaS. The IaaS provides on-demand access to virtual machines, storage and networking. Then IaaS enables dynamic allocation and management of infrastructure resources. It eliminates need for upfront physical hardware investment. It offers greater flexibility and control compared to SaaS and PaaS models. It supports scalable and consumable infrastructure tailored to business needs. Then unlocking the power of IaaS. The first one, on-demand resources. Then next one, scalable storage that grows with user business needs without upfront investment. Then virtual networking for secure. The third one, API driven management, allowing automation and integration with the existing workflow. Then full control over operating system and applications for tailored IT environment. Then pay as you for pricing model optimizes cost by charging only for used resources. These are the power of unlocking the power of IaaS. Then what are the advantages of IaaS, infrastructure as a service? The main advantage is first one is the achieve cost efficiency by eliminating physical hardware investment. Maintain full control over infrastructure configurations. Then scale resources dynamically to meet changing demands. Support disaster recovery to ensure business continuity with reliable, redundant resources. Then empower organization with enhanced agility and operational resilience. Then what are the key? There are 4 keys are there. The keys for the cloud deployment models. So first one, public cloud, private cloud, community cloud and hybrid cloud. So what is public cloud? The public cloud anyone can access. The service is delivered over the internet. It providing shared resources with high scalability and cost efficiency. The private cloud is an exclusively cloud environment dedicated to a single organization. It offering enhanced security control and customization. The third one, community cloud. It shared cloud infrastructure for a specific group of organization with common concern, balancing collaboration and compliance. Then fourth one, hybrid cloud. It combines public and private clouds for flexible resources allocation, optimized performance and tailored security. So these are the 4 deployment models of cloud computing. Then unlocking the power of public cloud. The first one, it owned and managed by third party provides offering resources over the internet to multiple organizations. It delivers high scalability, enabling users to easily adjust resources based on demand. It offers cost efficiency with pay as you go model and minimal user management effort. Then ideal for workload with variable or unpredictable demand patterns. then best suited for applications with lowest security or compliance requirements. It enables organization to focus on innovation by reducing infrastructure management. Then what is the power of private cloud? It's a private cloud that's operated exclusively for a single organization, either on premises or hosted by the third party. It provides enhanced security through isolated resources and strict access controls. It supports organizations with strict data privacy and governance policies. Then it offers greater control and customization compared to public cloud environment. Then community cloud. So the community cloud, it shared infrastructure among organizations with common concerns such as security policy or compliances. It enables collaboration while maintaining controlled access and strict governance. Balances efficient resource sharing with essential privacy and protection requirements. Then unlocking the power of hybrid cloud, that maybe it combines private and public cloud environment for flexible IT infrastructure. It enables dynamic movement for data and applications between clouds. Then hybrid cloud optimized workload based on security, compliance and cost requirements. It supports gradual cloud adoption with tailored infrastructure strategies. It achieves greater flexibility and control over IT resources. The business value with cloud computing. The first achieve cost saving with flexible pay-as-you-go pricing models, then scale resources effortlessly to meet changing workload demand, then access data and application anytime via reliable internet connectivity. Then enhance disaster recovery with secure redundant cloud backup, boost business agility by enabling rapid provisioning of resources, drive innovation through access to advanced cloud technologies and tools. Then what are the risks of cloud computing? Even though many advantages for using the cloud computing, there are some risks for cloud computing. So first one, data security concern. So it includes unauthorized access. Then potential service downtime, impacting business continuity. Then third one, dependency on internet connectivity, affecting access and performance. Then possible compliance and regularity issues across industries. Then the last risk is that is need of encryption. We know the encryption and decryption. So the need of encryption, redundancy and governance policies to migrate risk. So these are the risks of cloud computing. So this is the summary of in this video. So there are SaaS, software as a service, platform as a service, then infrastructure as a service. These are the cloud services are there. So these layers, there are 3 layers are there. The layers deliver the scalable, customizable cloud services. Then deployment models include public, private, community and hybrid cloud. So each model offers distinct control, resource sharing and security level. The combining the 3 layers, there are 3 layers are there. The 3 layers and models helps organization optimize cost, performance and security. This layered approach supports flexible IT infrastructures tailored to business needs. Then what are the navigating the tomorrow's cloud landscape? Maybe use the edge computing, serverless architecture, then add heightened security and compliance, then sometimes adoption of hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, then cloud architecture fundamentals equip students to engage with evolving technologies, then adaptability to the dynamic IT landscape. These are the tomorrow's landscape for the cloud computing. Thank you for your kind attention and hope you have a great career ahead. Thank you once again.